Clark is a natural-born leader, I think, but she doesn't really realise that until she's put in this situation where she's sent down to Earth and someone needs to step up.
Si os quitáis las pulseras, no solo los matáis a ellos, nos matáis a nosotros.
As the series goes on, you certainly see her make some tough decisions where she realises that it's not all black and white.
¿Qué decides? ¿Correr y morir en campo abierto o resistir y combatir?
Parece que habrá combate.
I think she's right not to trust the Grounders, because as far as she knows, they've posed nothing but a threat.
Nosotros no somos como ellos.
I think that it's the same for the Grounders. They think that they can't trust the 100, but I don't think that either of them are bad or either one is wrong.
¿Y tú quién eres?
El hombre que envían a masacrar a los tuyos.